Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hungarian ebook before it's gone.
Listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Az idegeim,
Mi történt?
a gyerekeim, kikészítenek.
Ugyan, biztos aranyosak.
Áthozod a cuccaid?
Igen, örülök, hogy együtt lakunk.
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Együtt.
Together.
Kikészít.
Drive somebody nuts.
Aranyos.
Cute.
Lakik.
Live.
Történik.
Happen.
Cucc.
Stuff.
Ugyan.
Come on.
Áthoz.
Bring over.
Ideg.
Nerve.
Aranyos.
Cute.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Az idegeim,
Mi történt?
a gyerekeim, kikészítenek.
Ugyan, biztos aranyosak.
Áthozod a cuccaid?
Igen, örülök, hogy együtt lakunk.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.